So speaking of katapatan at katapangan at kagitingan ng mga Pilipino, being an OFW, we need some words which will inspire us to work hard and be proud of being a Filipino. It would be a great honor to hear some words of encouragement from our leader here in Italy. So to give us her personal message, please welcome on stage the Honorable Consul General of the Philippines from the Consulate of Milan, Consul General Maritu Mauro.
Mauro.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Buongiorno a tutti. I'm very happy to welcome all of you here in Milan. Very cold. Troppo freddo. Adesso a Milano. Welcome to Milan. Those who are from Rome. Sino yung mga taga-Roma? Firenze, Cagliari, Tampa. Torino, Bergamo, yun. Firenze, ayun, dito. Honorary Consul Fabio Panfani, welcome. Saan pa? Venezia, wala. Sino pa? Tampa, wala na. O lahat. We all converge now in Milan. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. I would like to convey my warmest greetings and congratulations, tantissimi auguri, to all officials and members of the Federation of Filipino Communities and Associations in Italy, Federfil Italy, led by its chair, Ariela Chica. Maraming salamat. Sodalis, Miss Evelyn, Revilla, salamat po. Bicol Non-Milan, Chona and Briggs Briwega, nasan po kayo? Thank you so much and all the organizers of this very important event. Today we give recognition and we celebrate the outstanding individuals, deserving individuals and organizations who in the past year did the Filipino people and the Philippines a great service. Pagkakataon po nating lahat ito upang makilala natin ang ating mga magagaling na Pilipino at organizations all over Italy. I would like to say benvenuti to our Italian friends who are here today as guests and awardees as well. At this point in time, I would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of my colleagues in the Philippine Consulate General here in Milan, Ms. Jocelyn Hapan, our Welfare Officer and Acting Labor Attaché. She is the official representative of our Secretary of Labor, the Honorable Silvestre Bello III. Of course, Ms. Helen Grace Tabora is here with us. And Mr. Arnie Mahor, who is with us, andon. Ayun. Maraming salamat po. Ako po ay lubusang nagagalak na maimbitahan upang magbigay ng maliit na mensaheng ito at sa mahalagang okasyon na ito. I feel genuinely happy to see old and new faces, friends and partners. Of course, nandito si Raisen at si Oli. Nandito sa atin ang ating mga magagaling na MCs na wala na akong ibang maisip na MC kundi silang dalawa lang. Thank you so much for carrying this event excellently. At the search for outstanding Filipino workers, which is now on its second year, ay nandito ngayon. It is taking place here for the first time in Northern Italy. We are very, very honored for Federfield to choose Milan as the place. Maraming salamat po sa Federfield. At I hope that we are coming up with the expectations, no? What is expected of us in the Philippine Consulate General. Maraming salamat at makakaasa po kayo na ang konsulado ng Pilipinas ay kasama ninyo sa okasyong ito. Kami po ay nagagalak at wala po kaming reserbasyong tumulong o sumuporta sa lahat ng aktibidades at proyekto na makakabuti sa mga kababayan natin. Wala ho kaming ganyang agam-agam o pasubali as long as it will benefit our kababayan. Dahil kayo, mga kababayan ko, ang tunay na mga bayani. Palakpakan natin ang sarili natin. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Tantissimi auguri a tutti.
And of course, may we call Mr. Lechica to give the flag of appreciation for our... And of course, Miss Evelyn to give the flag of appreciation for our well-loved and hard-working Consul General. Palakpakan naman ho natin. Alright, of course, pwede ba kayo pumalakpak ng malakas para sa ating mabait at masipag na Consul General. I would like to read this first. Of course, Federation of Filipino Communities Association in Italy, Outstanding Filipino Workers in Italy 2016 for their remarkable contribution and admirable commitment to the welfare of the Filipino communities in Italy. This award goes to Honorable Consul General Marichu Mauro, Philippine Consulate General Milan OFW Awards 2016 Milan member, panel of consultants and organizers. Given this birthday of December 2016 in cooperation with the Sudalis and Friends Milan and the Filipino communities in Piemonte and Genova, Liguria during the OFW Awards and recognition, of course, presented by Mr. Ariel Lachica, and of course, Ambassador Felipe J. Luillier, Honorary President, and of course, Augusto C. Cruz, our Secretary General. Ladies and gentlemen, our Consul General Marichu Mauro. Dr. Percy Gallardo, siya po ang may nag-donate ng ating flowers for our beautiful Consul General. And at Targa, of course. So, maraming salamat, Mr. Lechica and Ms. Evelyn. Once again, let us show appreciation to our Consul General. And of course, right, pagkatapos ng ating Consul, meron pa rin tayong kasunod to give us a message from the Department of Labor and Employment. Please welcome our Honorable Department Secretary, Mr. Silvestre Bello III.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. To Mr. Ariel Lachica, President of Federal Italy, at sa ating mga guest honorary consulates, sa aking pong paboritong Consul General, syempre, at ang mga kasama ko sa consulate, sa ating pong mga kababayan, lalo na mga nominees and awardees, at sa lahat po ng mga kababayan na punta mula pa sa Roma, at syempre yung mga nandito sa Milan, I am honored to bring to you the message of Honorable Secretary Silvestre H. Bello III. Ito po ang kanyang mensahe para sa inyo. Congratulations to the Federation of Filipino Communities and Associations in Italy, Federfil Italy, for staging this year's edition of the Search for Outstanding Filipino Workers in Italy. What makes this occasion more meaningful is that the search for outstanding Filipino workers is not a competition, but recognition of the exceptional achievements of our compatriots in this part of Europe. To be recognized by peers and the community as a whole is one of the most fulfilling achievements that any worker can dream of. And with this distinction, I commend the awardees for gaining the valuable recognition of your fellow Filipinos. My commendation also goes to Federfil Italy for this inspiring initiative that aims to motivate, honor, and recognize our Filipino workers across industries in Italy. This year's 50 individual awardees represent the best of the Filipinos in the fields of healthcare, household, hotel and restaurant services, church-based communities, youth and senior citizen sectors, entrepreneurs, and employers groups, including government and private sector employees of the Italian and Philippine governments. I also congratulate the 10 outstanding civic and church-based groups for being the epitome of the Filipinos' bayanihan spirit. Filipino communities around the world, like the one represented by Federfil Italy, are truly valuable partners of the government in providing support to our OFWs. They are also extensions of the OFW families, and their heartwarming presence in foreign lands bridge the Filipinos to their homes. They serve as strong support groups and viable network system that upholds the best interests of migrant Filipinos. With our heightened commitment to provide ample protection to Filipino workers abroad, be rest assured of the Department of Labor and Employment's enhanced protection and promotion of the welfare and interests of the Filipino migrant workers through our Philippine Overseas Labor Offices. Lastly, please accept my apologies for not being able to physically be with you on this auspicious event, but I would be very happy and look forward to meeting with the leaders and members of the Federfil Italy when I fly to Rome for the resumption of the peace talks with the National Democratic Front on January 18 to 25 next year. Mabuhay ang Federfil Italy, mabuhay ang magagawang Pilipino sa buong mundo. Magandang hapon po.
Okay, marami pong salamat. Miss Jocelyn Hapal, who read for us the message of our Dole Secretary Silvestre Bello III. Abbiamo appena ascoltato il messaggio del nostro segretario del Dipartimento del Lavoro e dell'Occupazione da parte della signora Jocelyn Hapal. And again, we have another message from the Philippine Overseas Labor Offices, or POLO. So once again, we would like to call on stage the Welfare Officer, Ms. Jocelyn Hapal.
Ang ganda na message kanina ni
Actually, the message of the secretary should take precedence over my message. So hindi ko na ho kailangang magsabi ng message, but I would really thank you all and congratulate all the nominees and awardees for today's event. Sabihin ko lang po my one piece of thought about these awards. Marami na po ako nakitang OFW awards sa anumang mundo. At karamihan po nito ay ginagawa ng government offices mga NGOs. Pero ang pagkakaiba nitong nakita ko rito sa OFW Awards na to, ito po ay ginagawa at ginagawad mismo ng kasamahan yung Pilipino manggagawa. Yun po siguro nakita ko outstanding element ng awards na to. To be recognized by your own peers, parang mas malaki yatang recognition iyon. Kaya nababaunin mo na sa habang buhay na kapag pala nag-abroad ka, pwede ka rin ma-recognize in your own field. So maraming salamat po. Enjoy the day.
Very well said. Welfare Officer Jocelyn No. At ang sabi niya kanina, hindi ito kompetisyon, ito'y isang parangal para sa natatanging Pilipino dito sa Milano. Alright,
And speaking of parangal, meron na po tayong first awardees, Kuya. Okay, so let's start with our first special award.
we call on first Mr. La Chica and Ms. Evelyn on stage, please.
To award the plaque. So our first awardee is Mr. Giorgio Casadillo. Mr. Giorgio Casadillo could only be described as the father of Sodalis, a former executive at Barilla and University professor. In 2006, he started scouting around for Filipinos with leadership potentials with the end in view of training them as future politicians. He tirelessly went around churches and places where Filipinos normally hang around until he was able to organize an elite and motivated group which now forms the leaders of Sodalis. Giorgio imparted on them through a weekly vault session lasting over midnight his democratic beliefs and invested almost entirely his retirement life indoctrinating Filipinos to voice out and fight for the rights through participation in political exercises, being legal residents and law-abiding taxpayers. The invaluable efforts of Giorgio in helping Filipinos widen their political and organizational horizons are now producing visible results. And today's event is only one of a long list of Sodalis accomplishments which can be attributed to Giorgio Casadillo. Thank you, Giorgio. Thank you for choosing the Filipino community as your life mission.
Of course, together with Ms. Evelyn Revilla and Mr. Ariel A. La Chica, our Consul General Marichu Mauro to award the recognition for Mr. Giorgio. Let's have our photo ops, and after that, of course, mapapakinggan natin ang maikling mensahe ni Mr. Giorgio Casadillo.
Ma il più bel regalo è di essere tra voi. Salamata, filippini, bravi cittadini per Milano, siete una risorsa. La terza generazione oramai è italiana. Noi siamo orgogliosi e non soltanto perché siete più numerosi di Milano, i più integrati, siete in 15.000 famiglie che vi conoscono, anzi conoscete molto meglio di voi il way di vita milanese che non gli stessi milanesi. Una cosa soltanto, scusate, è un piccolo appunto, siete bravi cittadini. Siete veramente onesti, Milano è orgoglioso di voi, io lavoro in politica e quindi, però, per cortesia, volete entrare nelle istituzioni, meritate di più, voi meritate di più, per cortesia, entrate dentro, avete 3.000 diritti di voto a Milano, se scegliete con le primarie un vostro rappresentante con 3.000 voti, a Milano si fanno 3 consiglieri comunali. Fatelo! Perché finché non siete nelle istituzioni, siete quelli che badano le persone anziane, i bambini, sono quelli che guardano le portineria e sono quelli che lavano. Meritate di più!
Ok, grazie mille signor Giorgio Casali. Avete visto ragazzi quanta forza riusciamo a dare noi filippini al signor Giorgio che non ha più bisogno di usare il suo bastone?
Allora
Avete
facciamo la
visto?
foto prima. Alright guys, so ibig sabihin niyan, bumoto na raw kayo lahat at makiisa sa isang institusyon. Hello, right after Mr. Giorgio Casadio, of course, is another recipient and none other than, of course, on stage, the special award to Reverend Father John Bena, SDB Emeritus Award and Lifetime Achievement, nominated by FedPop.
Sponsors are Federal Italy Regional Board of Director Piemonte.
And of course, on stage, may we call on the presence of Mr. La Chica and Ms. Evelyn Revilla to give the recognition to Reverend Father John Bena. Of course, Mr. La Chica and Ms. Evelyn on stage to present the prestigious recognition to our Father John Bena.
Ora lei riceverà una tacca come Emeritus Award and Lifetime Achievement. And also we would like to call on stage Honorable Consul General Marichu Mauro to join Mr. La Chica and Miss Evelyn Revilla for the awarding of the plaque.
One about a round of applause for our Reverend Father John Bena. And of course, ang sponsor po ng Targa ay nanaridan ang Bicolon. Okay, Ryan? Please come over. And of course, kanina na-inspired na tayo sa mga sinabi ni Mr. Giorgio at with the presence of Father Bernard. Tayo ay na-inspired na gumawa ng tama and be proud bilang isang Pilipino. Right, Raisel?
Yes, that's true. So let's have a short break. Kuya Rolly, will you do the honor to introduce to us our next performers?
Thank you, Raisel. Para ma-inspire tayo to give us a song number from one of the best performers from Piemonte. She was in Tilasio Una Canzone, 8th edition 2015 in Rai Uno. She won several awards, Filipino Singing Contest Turin 2011 champion, Golden Voice Milan 2012 champion, Bayanihan Singing Contest Turin champion in 2015, and of course, Nuova Musica Festival Milan 2016 first place. And of course, Lasciami Cantare first place, Alessandria 2016. And Una Canzone per Sognare 2016, Alessandria first place. What else? And all these guys synonymous to one name. Ladies and gentlemen, Sheila Palmas for Isang Lahi.
pagmamahal ang ialay mo. Pangungatan ko na'y mas nais ko ang pagdamay sa kapwa'y nandiyan sa pangalan mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Sheila Anjanette Pawas. Just stay there, Sheila, please. And of course, I would like to award it Outstanding Filipino Workers in Italy 2016. Certificate of plaque or certificate of appreciation is hereby awarded to Miss Sheila Anjanette Palmas, vocal soloist, signed by Mr. Ariela Chica and Augusto C. Cruz. Ladies and gentlemen, Sheila.
Okay, maraming salamat sa iyo, Sheila Palmas. Kuya Rolly, kanina napagod ka sa pagbanggit ng kanyang mga achievements. Pero she really deserves all of those achievements, Kuya. Nakita mo naman kung gano'n ka-powerful ang kanyang voice all the way from Piemonte. Okay, so at this point in time, we will be having two special messages from two special persons. A questo punto ascolteremo un breve messaggio personale dal console onorario della regione di Piemonte. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Honorary Consul of Piemonte, Avvocatessa Maria Grazia Cavallo. Let's call on another guest speaker. Please welcome on stage Honorary Consul of Tuscany, Dr. Fabio Fanfani. Sera.
Un affettuoso saluto a tutti i presenti, un saluto particolare alla vostra console Maricio di Milano, un ringraziamento per questo invito. Per chi non mi conosce, io sono console generale onorario delle Filippine per la Toscana, Emilia Romagna, Umbria, Marche e San Marino. Però oggi sono qua e mi piace essere in un'altra veste come datore di lavoro, perché la vostra federazione, le vostre associazioni oggi presenti qui si basano sul lavoro e io sono un medico che dirigo una clinica privata a Firenze, una clinica medica privata fondata da mio padre Manfredo circa 50 anni fa. La dirigo insieme a mia sorella Stefania. L'azienda si vanta della collaborazione di circa 120 dipendenti e devo sottolineare che un numero cospicuo di dipendenti sono filippini e sono addetti nel magazzinaggio, fattorinaggio, tenuta dei servizi igienici e ci tenevo a sottolineare che abbiamo anche una collaborazione con il gruppo delle infermiere filippine di Firenze e della Toscana, che è un gruppo di circa una trentina di persone, fra uomini e donne, molto valide nel campo professionale. E per questo è importante anche qualificare il tipo di lavoro, perché fra di voi ci sono molti anche diplomati, laureati, e per questo, oltre ad essere per la maggior parte domestici, è giusto che tutti noi ci battiamo anche per la qualificazione, per essere rappresentati anche con i titoli che abbiamo ottenuto sia all'estero ma soprattutto qui in Italia. Il rapporto con i filippini nella nostra azienda è un rapporto basato sulla stima e il rispetto, ma devo sottolineare che per me conta anche l'amicizia fra datore di lavoro e dipendente. Questo è un valore fondamentale che giova sia agli interessi
personali ma anche a quelli aziendali. Io colgo l'occasione, ho finito questo mio discorso, e colgo l'occasione, visto il clima natalizio, di rivolgervi i più sinceri auguri a voi e alle vostre famiglie. Grazie tanto.
La ringrazio per la sua presenza, dottore Fabio Fanfani.
Onorevole Console della Toscana. Okay, to those of you with the questions in their minds on who are the individuals chosen as the panel of consultants, here are the persons that make up our panel of consultants.
All right, thank you, Rai. And these are the persons, or the personalities, I should say. Honorable Consul General Marichu Mauro, Philippine Consulate General of Milano. Evelyn Revilla, Milano. Chona Raneses Briwega, Milano. And of course, Antonio B. Tulawan Jr., Napoli. Sana na-pronounce ko na tamang pangalan nyo. And of course, the Honorary President Ambassador Philip J. Louvillier.
Ok, in poche parole loro sono le persone che fanno parte del pannello della giuria.
Alright, of course, and of course, hindi mo mabubuo ang okasyon na ito kung wala tayong mga sponsors, right?
Yes, exactly. So thank you to our Milan sponsors, Imperial Homes, OP La Maggiolina, Sodalis, sponsored by Nilda Abello, Filipino Community of Bergamo, Bicolnon, Valitrans Metro Remit, Noble Life International Care of R.R. Padillon, La Multigrafica di Chefis and Chi, scusate se lo pronuncio male, Trano SRL or Trasporti e Spedizioni Internazionali, and AIM Global Team MLM Netstars of Marites Malco.
And of course, we have Milan donors and benefactors, Santo Niño Bergamo, Pinoy Runners of Milan, Berlina Family, Eileen Galicia of Tris Air, Hilda Ventura of Transventure, and of course, Mayra Averia, Francisca Bautista, Rose Borja, Tessie Acuna, Liza Pamulaklakin, Tess Ancianco, Chona from Guardians Milan and all in Villanueva, Nancy Scalona from Bergamo, and of course, Silvia Suruiz, and Engineer Domingo Borja.
Okay, so maraming pong salamat sa ating mga sponsors. So we're now moving forward to the main part of our event, the awarding ceremonies.
Of course, at this moment, sa lahat ng mga awardees at mga nominees, maraming salamat po sa inyong presensya. Hindi pa po natatapos pansamantala ang ating portion on this. Kaya kailangan natin ibigay ang ating floor to our new set of MCs.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Mr. Oji Castillo Cruz and Secretary General of Federfield and Ms. Pia Gonzalez Abucay.